Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. Simula po ito ng May 4 to May 11. Okay? So let's see the energy surrounding you. Okay? So let's start. Let's begin. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lala baby, nagpapakilala. Isang like, subscribes, and share. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the magician. Okay? You are the magician. It's about your actions, your thoughts. Okay? Your ideas. Okay, so narito ang tinatawag the Gemini. Okay? So, it's about you and them. Okay, sandali nga. Ba't ito yung... Okay. Yan lang. Okay. So, let's see. Naririto ang tinatawag the Venus. Okay, they want a relationship with you. Okay, gusto nila makipagrelasyon sa inyo. You're very, very attracted to them. Okay, so naririto ang tinatawag the Devil. Okay. Okay, yan ha. Okay. So maraming mga tinatawag na energies, okay, na mga taong gusto tinatawag na makipagrelasyon sa inyo. Okay? You have to filter. Filter nyo. Screen ninyo kung sino itong papapasukin nyo sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Okay. Not everybody. Okay? Can be your friends. Diba? Kasi narito yung tinatawag, yung iba is may motives. Diba? May motives sila kaya gusto nilang makipagrelasyon sa inyo. It's like to be with you, to make friends. Maaring gusto nilang makipagkaibigan. They have motives. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, use your mind, okay? Yan, use your mind. Be more observant, okay? What's their intention, okay? Yan. So, let's see. Meron ditong tinatawag na may mga, I think if they are not single, they are in a tinatawag na bad relationship, okay? At very, very attracted sila sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So, some of them, ibig sabihin nito, if you have a platform, social media, they are your quiet viewers, di ba? So, very, very sila sa inyo. Yan, it's like they find you smells good, okay? Yan. What they say, you smells good, you're intelligent, diba? You have everything they are looking for, the qualities you are looking for, okay? Meron din dito mga malisyoso, okay? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag pinagpapantasya kayo, maybe they are masturbating during their sleeping, okay? So they are tinatawag na maybe they are thinking, okay? The right time, they are looking for the right time to come to you, okay? Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, some of them naman, they have good intentions, maybe tinatawag they see you as their soulmate, diba? Because it's like you're a good candidate para maging asawa, because it's like you have all the qualities you are looking for. Maybe you can cook well, di ba? You can clean the house, you can make money, you can take good care of yourself, di ba? It's like all the qualities they are looking for you, okay? Are already, it's like full package. So, meron ditong abundance growing. Meron dito. There is a success, abundance, harvest growing. Okay? For you, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin lang nito yung tinatawag, be ready. Okay? To accept it. Okay? Tinatawag na aligned your soul, your mind, your heart, okay? Aligned sapagkat naririto, okay? Nagmamanifest na po, okay? Ang tinatawag na blessings. Let's see your fast. Your past, okay? Tingnan natin yung inyong tinatawag na past, okay? Sa inyong past, napaka very toxic, okay? Yan. Kumbaga dito a relationship, di ba? It's like, I don't know, ilang beses kayo pumasok sa relationship, di ba? It's like napakagulo, di ba? Parang nakaka-iskandalo, okay? It's like tinatawag na suffocated, wala nang oxygen, di ba? It's like yung bahay ninyo needs to be, it's, ano tawag dito? Yung na-possess, it's like possessed, di ba? Maybe your body, kung sino itong mga tao in relationship with you, di ba? It's like possessed, di ba? So, kailangan ng tinatawag cleansing of their body or their house, mismo yung bahay, di ba? Kasi masyadong toxic. Okay? It's like, ano tawag dito? Merong mga, it's like mga hindi nakikita, okay, na entities or bad entities sa loob ng bahay, okay? That's why it affects a relationship. Yan. Obsessed, okay? Obsessed ba ang tawag doon? Possessed, okay? Yung bahay, yung mismong bahay possessed by evils. Kaya naapektuhan pati mga nakatira. Naapektuhan pati relationship. Okay? Yan. So, meron dito yung tinatawag maaring mabagsik ang snoring pagkagabi. Di ba? Maaring dito yung tinatawag hindi siya makatulog. Maaring laging puyat. Okay? So, nakakaranas din ito yung tinatawag claustrophobic. Okay? Yan. Siguro pag natutulog. Okay? So, nakikita dito. Ha? Hindi naging maalwan ang buhay nyo from the past, di ba? Yan. Punong-puno ng iskandalo. Okay? So, from the past, nakikita dito yung tinatawag mga natulungan ninyong tao, di ba? Yan. So, maaari ito yung tinatawag na yung iyong ginawang pagtulong, di ba? Maaari sa mga kapatid mo, sa side, sa family mo, sa mga kamag-anak, di ba? Marami kayong mga natulungan from the past, okay? Maaari sa side din ng asawa ninyo, okay? So from the past, nakikita rin dito, di ba, yung tinatawag role or responsibilities, okay? Yan. Na ginawa ninyo. Marami kayong naging papel from the past, di ba? Maaring sa trabaho yan o sabihin na natin ilang beses ka nag-asawa, di ba? It's like, palagi kang, napakarami mong naging papel sa buhay mo from the past, di ba? Yan. So, let's see your tinatawag present, okay? Present energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, okay? Siguro marami din kayong mga naging trabaho, okay, from the past. Yan, ha? Ilang beses kayo nag-asawa? Sino itong mga natulungan ninyo? Di ba? Sabi na natin, baka ito yung negosyo. Ilang beses kayo nagnegosyo from the past, di ba? Maaaring sabihin na natin yung negosyo ninyo is tinatawag na hindi nagkaroon ng success, di ba? Okay. So, ito yung ngayon ninyo, ha? Okay, celebratory. Okay? Yan. It's like harvest. May hina-harvest kayo. Yan, oh, di ba? It's like kung ikukumpara from the past, iba ngayon, di ba? It's like mas malaki, okay, ang tinatawag na buhay mo ngayon compared to the past. Okay? At least ngayon, meron kayong natatapos, di ba? Merong completion, di ba? Hindi, it's not like from the past, it's like sabihin na natin, palagi ka na nagsisimula, palagi ka na lang ang bago, di ba? Palagi ka na lang palipat-lipat, di ba? Oh. So, dito ang nakikita, no? Okay. May mga hinaharvest kayo ngayon, kita naman maaring pera, your name, di ba? Reputation, gains, may mga nahaharvest kayo. Okay? Hindi pwedeng sabihin may haharvestin kayo, di ba? Dahil may nahaharvest na kayo. Okay? Yan. May nangyayari. Okay? Yan. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na kahit kayo may mga ha-harvest, di ba? It's like siguro, meron pa kayong mga maaring more than, okay? Sabihin na natin, ito, naka-harvest ako ng 100,000, pero nakikita dito na meron pa kayong mas mataas, okay? Na gusto, okay? Kesa sa dito. Yan, ha? May na-harvest kayo, pero nakikita na maaring merong digits, di ba? Digits, sabihin natin, ang harvest mo ngayon is 5 digits. Baka ang gusto mo is more than 5 digits, 6 digits, 7 digits, di ba? Okay. You're always thinking about money. You're always thinking about big money. Okay? So, ayan nakikita, you are taking a big jump. Okay? So, nakikita dito, it's about yung lakas ng loob ninyo. Okay? Yan. Taking a big leap, a big jump, a leap of faith. Yan, ha? So ngayon na ito, ha, ano na kayo, nagawa na kayo. Ito yung tinatawag leap of faith, okay? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, sana huwag kayong mabigo, di ba? Whatever is this leap of faith na ginawa ninyo, okay? But still continue giving, nakikita, ha? Yan, di ba? Yan, so ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na ito kayo, di ba? You stay, okay? It's like tinatawag, sa halip na ikaw ang umalis, sila ang naalis, di ba? People going out your life. May mga tao sa buhay nyo, kailangan ng umalis, di ba? But, you stay, di ba? Yan. Kumbaga dito, there is no more spark. There is no more, hindi na magpangita eye to eye, mind to mind, di ba? Heart to heart, hindi na magpangita, okay? But still nakikita dito, you're still giving, okay? Yan. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag leap of faith, sumubok ka na. Ito na kasi kumbaga dito yan, lumundag ka na di ba? Yan. So, you are praying, sana ito is magkaroon ng tinatawag success. Hindi ka nagkamali, okay? So, malakas na ang loob mo, okay? Yan. At ikaw is umaasa, okay? Sa Diyos. It's like, bahala na ang Diyos sa akin. Diba? Yan. So, let's see the tinatawag your future. What your future holds for you. Saan kayo dadalhin ng inyong future? Okay. So, ibig sabihin, your future is magiging more productive. Yan. More adventures, ibig sabihin nito. Yan, So, ibig sabihin, in the future, you have to take care of your skin to, ha? Dahil kasi, in the future is tinatawag, baka mas matapang ang araw. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, take good care of your skin. Okay? Especially your skin. Yan. Baka magkaroon kayo ng tinatawag sakit sa balat. Yan, ha? Okay? So whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, very, very unknown. Meron ditong very, very unknown. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito, it's like tinatawag dreams come true. Dreams come true. It's more about sci-fi. Diba? Yan. Oh. So nakikita dito yung tinatawag you are ready na. Okay? But you have to protect. Okay? Maaring yung whatever is this in the future. Na? Diba? It's like maybe 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you need to, ibig sabihin nito, okay? Protect especially your skin, di ba? So, ano ibig sabihin pag sinabi mong the high priestess, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, tikita ninyo ha, in the future, okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, be very, very careful, okay? Of your tinatawag health, okay? Protect your health. Yan ha. You eat, and then meron ditong book, di ba? It's like maybe the high priestess is tinatawag na kung ano itong nakalagay sa book na ito ang magliligtas sa iyo, di ba? It's like sabihin na nating medical book, di ba? Kasi pupunta ka it's like you will go to a place very, very unknown sa inyo, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, you have to protect, okay? Yan. Especially your body, your skin, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag mo kalimutan kumain ng prutas, okay? Because the future is different na, okay? It's more, maybe, masyado na ang radiation, di ba? So, it's just a reminder since the card is more on futuristic. Masyado ng futuristic. Okay? Yan. Baka kayo magka-psoriasis, baka kayo is magkaroon ng melasma, diba? So, ibig sabihin nito, always keep this. Okay? It's like a diary or it's like sabihin na natin maybe vitamins from the doctors, ba? Di ba? Yan, karunungan, it's more about karunungan. Ito ang magliligtas sa inyo. Okay? Yan, oh. Ito kung ano man ito. Di ba? Yan. Always keep this in your pocket. Okay? Yan. Kasi ang pupuntahan ninyo is maybe sabihin na natin masyadong very, very hot country. Okay? Kasi dito nakikita, in the future, you will live in a different part of the world. Okay? Thank you very much.